guys, in today's recipe I'm going to share with you all my recipe for homemade tortillas. In my bowl I have flour and corn flour. If you wanted to use only corn flour for this, you can. You want to mix that well to incorporate both ingredients, and then you're going to go in with enough hot water to bring this together to form a soft dough. Now I did not add any salt to my dough, but if you wanted to add some salt or some butter or some oil to the dough, you can. I just prefer not to. So you're going to knead this until it comes together and it forms a ball. When this comes together into a ball, sprinkle a little bit of vegetable oil over it to coat that dough. We just don't want this dough to create a skin. Next, cover it with plastic wrap and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. Once it has gotten to rest, we're going to uncover it and break it into 2-inch dough balls. Now if you have a bigger tortilla press, you can make these bigger, but my tortilla press is really small, so hence the reason why I'm making smaller dough balls. Once you've made out all of the dough balls, cover with a damp paper towel or a tea towel. This is just to ensure that that dough does not dry out. Next, oil your tortilla press on both sides and then place a piece of plastic over the tortilla press on both sides, and you're going to add a little bit of oil to that plastic also. Now taking one of your dough balls, place it in the middle of the tortilla press, and you're going to press this down until it's very thin. So you're going to place it into your hot frying pan, and you're going to allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You're going to flip it in between to make sure that it browns evenly. And you can see that it starts to puff up ever so slightly. So once it's finished cooking, you're going to put it into a container that's going to keep it nice and warm and soft, and you're going to continue making the rest of the tortillas until you've made out all of them. These tortillas are so soft, it's unbelievable how soft they are, and to get that softness, it's kneading it with that hot water. You really need to knead it with that hot water for it to be soft. So guys, this is as easy as it is to make homemade tortillas. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, let me know down below. If you make it differently, let me know what you put into your dough. Please remember to like the video and to share it with your friends. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!